Hi, in this video, we're going to talk about Coursera Specializations. So, what exactly are specializations? We'd look at that. The thing is that Coursera is popular for all its courses. It has got such a vast variety of courses of all sorts of subjects, from liberal arts to programming to engineering subjects. It has almost everything. Specializations differ from courses. We'd see how. So let's just type in something we want to learn. Let's say anything, Python, Excel maybe. Let's type in Excel and search for that. Excel. So here now I've just searched up Excel and I'd get a lot of courses regarding Excel. Here you could see one course here visible to me, another one here, another course visible in here. But as you could see, some of these are not labeled as courses, they are labeled as specializations. Now, what exactly is a specialization? It is basically a set, a mix, an amalgam of courses which are basically related to each other, and they ultimately end up towards an advanced specialized certificate which you obtain once you finish that complete set of courses. So to make that clearer, let me show you via this example. I have just opened this Excel skills for business specialization, and here you could see that it has got multiple courses. So in the courses section, I would just click on in here. Here you could see course number 1 is Excel skills for business, essentials, then intermediate 1, intermediate 2, advanced. So basically there are 4 courses which form this ultimate specialization. So once you will do these courses, you would get the individual certificates for all these courses. Because of course, when you do a course from Coursera, you get a certificate. That is if of course you've paid for it. But if you complete all of these 4 courses, you would get another certificate which would basically verify that you have specialized in learning Excel. You see, it takes approximately 6 months to complete because this is a total specialization. This is not just a single course. It has 4 courses. Once you're done, you get the 4 certificates, then you get an additional certificate. One other advantage is that if you have already done a course, so let's say that you have already enrolled yourself in this course, the business essentials one. So I just click on this. Let's wait for it to load. Let's say that you have already enrolled in this course separately from the specialization. You do not even know what a specialization is. You've just enrolled in this course and you've completed this. But you then attempt to join the specialization. Let's go back to the specialization of 4 courses. In that case, since you've already completed this course, all you need to do to get the specialization certificate is apply for the remaining 3 courses and complete the remaining 3 courses because you've already done one of these. So that is how a specialization works. Now we would look how to enroll in a specialization. So what we could do is we could enroll for free. Here I just click on this. In this case, we would have to pay if we want a certificate, because once our trial ends, even our content would be restricted. We will not be able to see anything. So what we could do is that we could just apply for the financial aid, and we just select continue to the application, and this will open the whole application page. And I've already shown this how to fill this and apply for financial aid in a separate video. Okay, so you just quickly fill this all, and in the end you would just select submit application and select this checkbox once you're done with it, and then you would be able to have your application processed by Coursera, and it depends on them whether they want to approve it or not. And once they do, if they do, you would then be able to complete this specialization for free, so you wouldn't have to pay anything. But this the purpose of this video is not to see how to fill out that financial aid application. The purpose was to show you what exactly is a specialization. So I think that you would now have a sufficient idea about what it is. It is a set of courses. You do all those courses, you get an additional certificate for completing all those courses, because you see, it is like you've actually accomplished something. If you've studied 4 courses about Excel, then you have definitely moved to a pretty advanced level. So you need to have something to show for it, right? So it is more than just a course. It is a specialization. It is something which is definitely a feather in your cap. So this is how you enroll in specializations, and this is how specializations work. And I hope that this video really helps you in understanding what exactly specializations are.